Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way, if you're a fan or if you celebrate. I do love Valentine's Day. I don't know, it's just one of my favorite holidays. Brady brought me these really pretty flowers today, and they totally made my day because they put me in a spring mood, and it's a little bit warmer out today, and I'm just so ready for spring. So today's video is sponsored by Fabfitfun, and speaking of spring, I'm actually unboxing the Spring 2018 box for you guys. So we'll get to go through and see what's inside together. But if you guys are new to these videos or new to Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription box. So you sign up and every 3 months you get a new box delivered to your door with full-size products. And it's a little bit different than your typical beauty subscription box because you can get beauty products, but you can also get fashion, wellness, or lifestyle products. And I love when they include like fashion products or accessories because I'm not really that great when it comes to fashion, so I've gotten a lot of really cute things through Fabfitfun. But like I said, everything's full size, so the value of the box is always over $200, but it only costs $49.99 every 3 months. And if you're new to Fabfitfun, you can actually get $10 off your first box. You can use the code ANDREA. I'll put the information in the description box below, but it's not a commission code. I don't make money off it, but it is there for you guys if you are interested in getting a discount. So let's jump into it and see what's inside the box. I'm so ready for spring, so I'm hoping there are some fun spring products in here. This is what the box looks like this month. I haven't actually seen any like sneak peeks or any hints, so everything's going to be brand new to me too. Okay, the first thing in here is by the brand Brenner Los Angeles, and it comes in a really pretty light blue bag. I'm assuming it's jewelry just because of the packaging, but let's open it up and see. So it looks like it's a really beautiful silver bracelet. It's really dainty, which is what I like. I like really like dainty jewelry. I'm not a big fan of like super chunky or statement jewelry, and it says love on it. It's really pretty. I'm actually going to put it on. Okay, I completely underestimated how hard it is to put a bracelet on yourself. I feel like necklaces aren't too bad, but bracelets are really hard because you have to do them one-handed. So I'm actually going to wait until Brady gets home and then he can help me put it on. But this is really cute. I feel like I've gotten a lot of necklaces from Fabfitfun, so it's kind of nice that they switched it up and included a bracelet. The next product in here is by the brand Murad, and I've actually heard a lot of great things about this brand, but I can't really think of anything that I've tried from them. I've gotten a lot of recommendations to try their products, especially recently because I've been asking you guys for some good hydrating products, and this brand's name has come up a lot. So this is their Skin Perfecting Lotion, and let's see what it's supposed to do. So it is a lightweight oil-free moisturizer. It's supposed to provide you with hydration without making you look shiny, and it's supposed to be good for blemish-prone skin, which is what I have. I do know that Murad is cruelty-free. I'll put all of the cruelty-free and vegan information in the description box below for you guys. This one feels really nice. It feels like it is a lightweight moisturizer, and it's not leaving my hand looking too shiny or sticky or anything like that. So it feels really promising. I'm definitely going to incorporate this into my morning skincare routine. Next, we have something by the brand Ish. It is their Lip Statement Palette. I love getting beauty products. Like I said, it is fun to get different products, but I do enjoy that Fabfitfun still includes some good beauty products. So let's see what this looks like. The packaging just looks really classy and beautiful. So when you open it up, oops, my brush fell out. You get a really large mirror, and then you get 12 different lip products. So they do have a good range of lip products in here. You get some nudes, some pinks, some reds. I love nudes and I love reds. And I feel like this is nice because you can kind of mix and match. Oh, wow. Okay, this is very pigmented. This kind of makes me want to break out a red lip. Usually on like Valentine's Day, I'll wear like a bright red lip, which I didn't do today, but that's just like one swatch. It's a really beautiful color. Let me do a pink. We'll do pink and red because it is Valentine's Day. So there are 2 quick swatches. I'll do some close-up swatches for you guys so you can really see what they look like. They're not waxy at all. And sometimes when you get lip palettes, they feel a little bit waxy. These actually feel really nice. I'm kind of curious to try them on my lips. I definitely want to try out this palette. I'm going to include it in my everyday makeup drawer for, what month is this? For March. So stay tuned for that video and I'll try it out and let you guys know what I think. I'll probably try it before then just because there are a lot of really beautiful bold colors in here. And this is just kind of more my preference these days compared to like long wearing liquid lipsticks, which I enjoy. They're just so drying and uncomfortable for like winter time. So this is going to be a really beautiful palette and I'm excited to use it. The next thing in here is by the brand Rachel Pally. It comes wrapped in plastic. So let me take the packaging off. So it says that this is a reversible clutch, and this is so cute, you guys. I feel like it's perfect for spring. I'm a neutral fan, so I feel like I would mostly wear mine this way, but if you like patterns or you just want to switch it up, you can actually flip it around and wear it like this, which I think is really, really fun. I love that it's reversible. Personally, I love that you just kind of get like a peek of like the floral design when you have it like this. And I'm all about clutches. Whenever I go anywhere, especially like a baby shower or a wedding shower or anything like that, I love these because you can just stick them right under your arm. I love that I got this because I am a neutral fan and I will get a lot of use out of it. So this is really cute. Okay, the next thing in here is by the brand Lilley. I recognize this name, or I kind of recognize like this packaging. I think that I did try something from this brand. Was it a lotion or a perfume? I think it might have been like a body lotion. But this is in the scent Number 1 Manhattan Beach, and it is, oh, it's a candle. Oh, this smells really, really good. It just reminds me of summertime. What are the scents? I'm so bad about calling out scents. So it has bergamot, musk, white jasmine, Brazilian softwoods, citrus, and heliotrope. I love that it comes in this copper tin. This will go perfectly with my living room decor. I can't wait to set it out and burn it. I don't buy candles for myself very much anymore, so I can't wait to actually have one that smells like spring, and I just can't wait. So I love that they included this. I've gotten candles once in a while, but it's kind of like a treat because I feel like they don't include them super often, so can't wait to burn this. So the next thing in here is by the brand Free People and Understated Leather, and it looks like it is an eye mask. Let me open this up. So the handout says that this is vegan leather, which is awesome. So I appreciate that they included vegan leather, but it is an eye mask and it feels so squishy. So it comes with a cooling insert inside, which is perfect because you can pop this right into the fridge and then stick it right in the mask and just kind of relax and depuff your eyes. I really think that this is adorable. I'm going to bring it with me when I travel because every single time I fly, I always wish that I had some kind of eye mask. I usually end up throwing my sunglasses on, but those aren't quite as comfortable as eye masks. Okay, the next thing in here is kind of interesting looking. It is by the brand Physique 57. It is a massage roller. It's supposed to provide serious relief and serious results. I've never seen a massage roller like this. I have a foam roller which works amazingly well, but this one is interesting. It says that it's great for sore, achy muscles. And you guys, now that I work out with a trainer, which by the way has been going amazingly well, I love it so much. And I never thought I would be one of those people who's like actually excited to go work out, but it gives me so much energy throughout the day. I'm almost down 20 pounds, which is great. I'm so excited. But anyways, I do find that I'm very sore on a lot of days, and my foam roller is really nice, but I'll have to give this one a shot. It's just kind of an interesting product. I have to say, I'm usually the biggest fan of like the fall and winter boxes, but this spring box is really, really good so far. So the next product in here is by the brand Dermalect. I haven't heard of this brand before, but it is their Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. So you're supposed to use it on your nails if you struggle with ridges, yellowing, discoloration, or just like dehydrated, weak, brittle nails, which I have struggled with in the past. Right now I'm using like a gel polish just to kind of keep them a little bit longer, and to be honest, it's so nice not having to paint your nails for like 2 weeks, but I might give them a little bit of a break, so I will have to try this out and see how it works for me. It says that it's cruelty-free, which is great. A lot of my nail polishes aren't cruelty-free, so if you guys have any good cruelty-free nail polish recommendations, you'll have to let me know in the comments below. In the meantime though, I'm definitely going to try this out. I've been needing a good base coat, so this one looks like it could be really promising. So for the beauty choice item, you could have either gotten a body butter or this product. This is by the brand KNC Beauty, and I've actually gotten these in a different subscription box in the past, although it didn't come in this really cute case. So these are all natural collagen infused lip masks, and it looks like you get 5 of them, which is really nice. I like that they included 5 and not just 1, but these are supposed to condition, moisturize, plump, and hydrate your lips. But these are all natural, no sulfates, no parabens, no animal testing, which is awesome. So I like that they included them in this cute bag. I don't know, I just think that's like a fun touch. And the last product in here is just a little extra by the brand Dove. So this is their exfoliating body polish with crushed macadamia and rice milk. So it looks like you can just use this in the shower and just kind of spread it all over your skin to give yourself a nice exfoliation. So they just kind of included that as an extra. Okay guys, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. I have to say, I'm a big fan of this box, and I'm a little surprised, not because I didn't think I would like the box. I usually like the spring and summer boxes, but I love the fall and winter boxes. But I have to say, I think I like this box better than the winter box. I just got so many good products that I will definitely use. The lifestyle products this box are great. I'm excited about the candle, the massage roller, the bracelet is really pretty. I will definitely use the eye mask, and then the skincare products are really nice as well. And then of course I will use the lip palette and the nail polish as well. So I have to say this box was a winner for me. If you guys want this box, you can grab it if they haven't sold out yet. So I'll put the website in the description box below, and you can use the code ANDREA for $10 off. Otherwise, make sure you guys let me know what you got in your box, because there were a few variations, a couple of products you could choose between. So I want to know what you guys chose and what you think. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.